Hello everyone. Today we are going to set up a powerful engine Opensearch and Opensearch dashboard on your machine. I'm going to show you how to install this in just few minutes using Docker Compose. So let's get in. So the only thing that you needed on your machine is a Docker desktop. If you don't have it, don't worry. I have placed the official Docker desktop download link in the description. Get that running and you are ready to go. So the next thing that we need is our configuration file. I have prepared a ready to use Docker Compose file template in this repository. So go ahead and clone the repo. I have already cloned this one. Yeah. Inside the setup folder, you will find a Docker Compose file. In this file, there are two key services. The first one is Opensearch and the second one is dashboard. The Opensearch is the core engine and the dashboard. This is the visual interface for your data. Now a quick important security tip. Do not use the default password that is there in this file. Look for this field Opensearch initial admin password inside Opensearch service, and the other one is Opensearch password in the dashboard. Change this one to some secure password before you start the container. Once the passwords are set, open up a terminal, change directory inside the setup and run the command docker compose up. If it's your first time, it might take a minute or two while Docker fetches the images from the registry. Once the logs are settled down, your environment is live. To verify if everything's working, let's head over to the dashboard. By default, dashboard uses the 5601 port. Yeah, log in using the username admin and the password that you just had created. Let's click on dismiss. So let's add some sample data as well. Let's add this one. This is gonna add some sample data as well as the graph. And yeah, that's it. You have a fully functional Opensearch dashboard on your machine. If you found this helpful, click on the like button and do subscribe for such more videos. Thanks for watching guys, and I will see you in the next video.